The Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Yep, that's what we're unboxing today. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. And for today's video, the first video of the year, we have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Yet another phone from Xiaomi. We're looking at what could very well be one of the more affordable 5G phones. Aside from that, I don't really know much about this phone, what the specs are, what it can do, so time to unbox. Here we go, guys and girls, the Redmi Note 90. It is our typical box. It says Redmi Note 90 with easy access to the Google apps you use most. At the bottom here, it tells us that I got the Daybreak purple one. Purple, just like my nails. We have the 4GB, 128GB version, a list of what's inside, but we're gonna take a look for ourselves. Designed by Redmi, it says. That's the phone right there, but we're gonna check out what else is in this box first. So here we have SIM eject tool, user guide, warranty card, and a handy dandy jelly case. Right off the bat, we can see that the cutout is a circle. Well, I mean, guys, this shows that the cutout is a circle. Come on. We see what else is in the box. We have the power brick. We have the USB-C cord onto the phone. Now, of course, this tells us that this is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 800U with dual 5G. Yes, folks, this is a 5G phone. There is a 48 megapixel high-resolution camera with a 13 megapixel selfie camera. That's also a 5.53 Full HD plus dot display with dual speakers and 5000 milliamp hours battery power with 18-watt charging. Let's take out the plastic. Ooh. First of all, this totally matches my nails. Look at that! That's a nice purple. I like it. Not sure if you can see. This phone has texture on it. That means it's a little bit more fingerprint repellent. That is most definitely not glass, but it looks good. I mean, I honestly didn't plan this, but this works out. So on the back, we have the 3 cameras plus a flash that is barely any bump. And what's pretty interesting about this is how this back sort of extends to the sides. And here we find the volume rocker, fingerprint scanner, and power button. And as you can see at the bottom, that's sort of like a continuation from the back. The back and the sides and the bottom and the top is one whole piece. That is the USB-C port, speakers, and audio port. Of course, we're repping that Redmi 5G branding. And then on the other side, we have the SIM tray. Let's see what this packs. Yes, that is a lot of slots. So 2 SIM slots plus a micro SD card slot. And we have a pretty smooth top. I think you have speakers up here as well. And if I'm not mistaken, that is an infrared remote thing. Yeah, most Xiaomi phones have that, which is a very, very cool added feature. Anyway, let's power this up. And in the meantime, a montage. Right, folks, you know what it is. It's camera tour time. Oops. Ooh, first time. Right. Allow location. You get to pick which is the function of the shutter when you press and hold. So I'm gonna go for video. Hi. So hello, welcome to my room. We have the photo mode, and can we zoom? Yes, we can. We can zoom up until 10x, and wow, my mirror is dirty again. I'm sorry for that, you guys. Can we do a wide? No wide on this. Right, up here we have flash settings, HDR settings, we have AI settings. Oh, you see how quick that is? It recognized me as a person. You have your different filters here. You have the beautify mode, and then here, Google Lens. Right, let's see what's up here. So you can choose the photo settings, timer settings, movie frame mode. Again, one of my favorite Xiaomi effects. We have grid, straighten, macro mode is hidden under here. Wait, let's take out the movie frame mode. Yeah, so that's macro mode, and that's why it's not focusing, because you need to be like super near your subject. You have tilt shift, you have timed burst. On to the right, we have the portrait mode right here, and as you can see, you can do an aperture of 1 up until an aperture of 16. Again, quick tip, the larger the number, the smaller the aperture, the less blur you have, and the smaller the number, the larger the aperture size and more blur. Up here we find settings, so size, timer, you have the movie frame mode, guidelines, straighten, and even more settings. On the right side we have more, we have the night mode. Can we zoom in? Yes, up until 10x. Zoom out. No, there is no wide. 48 megapixel mode. Again, you guys, main shooter is 48 megapixel, but it uses pixel binning to do better photos. 48 megapixel though, you can still shoot on that. That just means bigger photos for you. We also have the short video mode, which you guys know is one of my favorite modes. Basically, you can shoot here. It has different settings like speed settings. You can add background music. And this mode is designed so that when you shoot this short 15-minute video, you can immediately share it to your social media. Your social media should pop up here. For those of you who don't get why this is here, this is basically an Android phone solution to iPhone shooting better photos, because the solution really is to shoot with a native camera. So there you go. And then you have different filters over here also. Beautify, kaleidoscope mode. This is trippy stuff. And up here you have the option to shoot in 720/30 or 1080p 30. You have settings, grid lines, and yeah. We also have panorama mode, document scanner, always useful. Xiaomi's vlog mode, again, really easy to shoot short vlogs for social media, or even just b-roll with this. It gives you templates, and then all you need to do is hold the phone up and it edits and does everything for you. You can shoot like a whole sequence in like 5 minutes. It's amazing. I love this. And yes, I've also tried this in a couple of my camera vlog tests, so check out, I'll put links somewhere. So finally, you have slow motion mode. Can you zoom in on slow motion? Yes, up until 3x. And under settings, we can do 960 fps, 240, or 120, and that's under 720. Under 1080, can we do? Oh, we can only do like 120 in 1080p. And then we have a time-lapse mode, and also we have the option to edit the camera menu, so that's always cool. On to the other side, we have video. Hello, oh my gosh, it's so obvious that my mirror is dirty. I'm so sorry. So here you have flash settings, filters. Wait, there we go. You have filters, you have a beauty mode, you also have the option to shoot in 4K. Wait, not when beauty mode's on. Okay, so you can shoot in 4K, 1080p, 60, 30, 720 fps. You have a movie frame mode on video, which makes, there you go, everything even more dramatic. You have grid lines, straighten, a macro mode on video, but that's only at 720p, it shows me, see? Right, and finally we have the pro mode. You have white balance, you have an aperture, wait, right, no, that's focus, that's not aperture. And then you have, wait, auto. There you go. So you have an aperture. No, this is shutter. What am I saying? Sorry. You have a shutter of 1/4030 seconds ISO, and you have flash settings up here. You have frame average. What else? Spot metering. 48 megapixel mode, filters. You get the drill, you guys. Then, wait, that's photo, right? You have pro mode video, so that's always nice for people who shoot stuff on their phones. Now, selfie time. So you have beauty filters over here. Ooh, look at how smooth it makes me. Do you see that? Wow, okay, but it's too much, but wow. Fresh. So maybe down here again, I love the beauty mode, you guys. The beauty mode helps me like not fuss about like my makeup or my face, but it's something good to help you enhance your face. There is nothing wrong with the real you, flaws and all. So we have here, well, the option to shoot in 1080p 30 fps. You still have the movie frame mode here. You have grid lines. What else? Right, under photo mode, you have flash settings, HDR settings. I always put that on auto. You have AI over there. And then you have size, timer, movie frame mode. Even on selfie, nice. You have palm shutter, my favorite selfie tool. That just makes taking your own photos even easier. And then you have timed bursts. Down here, you have, an even more detailed beauty filter. So you have beauty, slender, big eyes. Okay. No slender, a little bit of smoothing, no big eyes. And then we also have different filters on selfie. On portrait mode selfie, hello. As you can see behind me, it's all blurred now, and you can adjust aperture settings here from f1 to 16. You also have different flash settings, and up here, size, timer, movie frame mode, palm shutter. So that's good, and we are back. Now, if you've seen any of my unboxing videos, I cannot leave you without showing you some sample photos if it permits, and this moment permits. So, some sample shots. And that was it for our quick unboxing and camera tour for the Redmi Note 9T. I like how this phone looks, and I love that inadvertent nail matching. Now, what I know about pricing and availability about this phone, I'll put in the description box below so you can check that out. And of course, like any unboxing, this is just my initial look at this phone, so I will need more time with it to make my mind up about it. Let me know if something like a camera vlog test is something you'd like to see on the Note 9T. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. That's it for today, you guys. Until next time.